Type of compound inequality is when you have or. So in other words, to build on the last example, if I said I am going to go skiing or watch TV all afternoon, I may do one, like go skiing, or watch TV all afternoon. But I can also do both. But I have options, right? So we're going to look at a problem with or. So we're going to use the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and solve this by adding 5 to both sides. And I'm going to quickly change this font to make it bigger. I don't know why it's so small. Right? I add 5, and I get 4x is greater than negative 20. Now if I divide both sides by 4, I get x is greater than negative 5. Now I'm going to come over here and solve the other one. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and subtract 7. Right? And now I get negative 3x is less than 7. And then I'm going to divide by negative 3. And I get x, remember to flip that inequality sign, is greater than 7 over negative 3, or negative 3, 7. So let's put that negative in front of the 7. Okay? Now, if you remember, this equation is an or. So what it is saying is I'm looking for values that are less than negative 5 or greater than negative 7 over 3. And we know that negative 7 over 3 is 2 1/3. So I'm not really worried about the fractions, but I can look at this. So if I look at my number line here, and I were going to say, okay, negative 5 is here, and I know that negative 7/3 is here, then I can look at this. X less than negative 5/3, negative 5, looks like that, and x is greater than negative 7/3, looks like this. And so my final answer, because it can be either less than negative 5 or greater than negative 7/3, means that my answer would just come right on to the number line. And let's just make that thicker. And I'll do the same thing here. Bring that right above the 7/3. And I'm going to make it thicker. And so my answer becomes this. X is greater than negative 5, or x is greater than negative 7 over 3. And that's what I'd circle on my paper to make sure everybody understood exactly what my answer was. By putting it on the existing number line, I also confirmed that that is what I'm representing. All the values less than negative 5, or all the values greater than negative 7/3. I hope this helps.